Hello everyone. I had to I have to run downstairs to my neighbor, but for right now I'm trying to find a top to a bowl because I moved my kitchen around when my neighbor was telling me to put the washer in the kitchen. I moved my kitchen and now I don't know where my bowl is. But anyway, here's my crock pot that I just finished making this out of. And the reason why you didn't see it in the crock pot is because I almost fainted and it was caught on video and I didn't want anyone to cry. So I threw away the video. And so I'm going to my neighbor to take her a bowl. Hopefully she's awake. And this bowl, if this is the top, which, yay! I thought I was going to find it. This is going to go into my deep freezer. This is going to go into my refrigerator because I'm going to eat that over some rice, but this I'm going to eat with my chili that's on the stove that I made yesterday. I'm going to put the chili in here. It's going to be more meat and everything, and probably put it with some pasta because it's a little loose. This is ground beef, Prego, chunky, and I have to tell you. And then, and trust me, my garbage can is clean. This right here from the Dollar Tree, Sloppy Joe. It is amazing. So I'm not one of those people that spit in the garbage and all that other stuff. But we still have to make sure we keep ourselves sanitary. I just get tired of washing my hands because my hands are like sandpaper now. But this absolutely tastes it tastes so nice. I did not put any extra seasoning in it. I just let the sweetness from the Sloppy Joe be what I was gonna make it with. So this is freezer. I might as well put it in the freezer now. And I'm so thankful because I had enough energy to make a few more, another meal for myself. Now, it's not quite dinner time, but I'm going to make sausage and rice probably in maybe about an hour or so. So I could have something else to cook. Today, when I woke up, I was not able to function very well. So, when I say I wasn't able to function, I really wasn't able to function. It was really hard for me to basically wake up and start my day. And every time I did get up, I fell back out and I fell back out. So when I did get enough of the blessing for today, I said, you know what, let me get in the bathroom and put something on my stove, on my counter. But I got to try to cook without cooking on the stove. The heat from the stove activates my syncope and it's horrible. The what is that? The skillet I got yesterday is basically garbage. You can basically make a pancake in there or scramble an egg, but something deep in there, it's not deep. And I'm not really sure if I want to bother setting it back. And they take out, what, $8 for shipping. It only costs $29. So I'm just going to, keep it and probably figure out something. But I may use it, for something, but it's not deep enough. For those days where I do have access to a little bit of energy to cook, I'm going to be cooking more than one meal. So thank you for watching. I don't know if I should be sending it to my subscribers or not because I don't want to overwhelm anyone. I don't want to feel like a spammer. So some of them I will be separating by days so that I can send some, and then some I'm just going to take off that little checkbox and they'll find me when they find me. But thank you so much for subscribing. I feel so proud of myself. I have 40 subscribers now. Oh my goodness. When I get to 500, I'm going to be able to do like those things to earn or whatever. So it is what it is. Have a wonderful day. Thank you so much. And bye.